hard. Okay, ready? Wait, this is JJ's birthday. Nick was supposed to. Nick's just gonna do it a little bit. Andy, you dig it out after. Nick's gonna.
Father, son.
Nick's gonna push him.
Sons.
You can fine.
Please.
Nick, you can help him smash it. Ready? And Jason, be careful.
On the count of 3.
Put your arms down.
Yes.
Put your arms down, JJ. You wanted this.
1.
I close them.
Yeah, close them. You got them
There's so
closed?
much false.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh! Wait! Oh, look at me! Look at me! Oh my! See how much frosting was? JJ, wait!
Now it's my turn. One more.
No! Use your hands.
One more.
It's funny. No, not hard. It's funny.
Hey, it's my turn. 1.
Don't do it hard. Smash it all over.
2,
Rub it all over.
3.
Oh my gosh, JJ! Not hard. Oh my god! Look at me! Look at me!
Dude, I can't see.
How does it taste? Taste your nose. How is it? Good?
Jace, hold
No
it.
more. Now take the rest. Here, it's my turn.
And then what?
Mother's turn. Go like this.
Can I try to eat it? Rip it off your face and eat it.
Hey, you're winging it everywhere.
Open your mouth and watch. No, come here. Open your mouth and taste the cake I made for you. Come here.
I'll taste it.
Jason, stop.
You're supposed to record that. You didn't record it? Okay, let's point it at him. This was
Is it recording?
Yes. Ready? Yum. Okay, remember JJ, your first when you were 1?
Okay, stop. Now,
What did I say? Yeah, I'll get you one.
quit grabbing.